Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Tahniati. I am 36 years old. I come from Bima Entebbe of Indonesia. My weight 53 kg. My height 150 cm. My last education junior high school. I am Muslim. I am married. I have 2 daughters. I'm not scared of dog. I can handle pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I have experience in Singapore 5 years under 2 contracts. First contract, my job is take care of 61 years old man bedtime and cannot move. Change diapers, check blood pressure, give food, give medicine, bath, clean the house, wash and iron the clothes. Sometimes I go to market also. Second contract, my job is take care 4 years old a boy, prepare school bag and lunchbox, give food, bath, bring and pick up from school, accompany to playground every Saturday, cooking, clean the house, wash and iron the clothes. I want to go Hong Kong because I need more money for my family and my future. Ma'am, sir, please choose me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong.